Have you ever wondered how you can make money online without ever showing your face? Well, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I've done that and how I've been able to generate over 6 figures a month and I did not show my face once. My name is Zakari, I'm an online entrepreneur, and I'm literally going to share with you the exact business that I've done, and I'll walk you through the steps I took and how you can do the same, okay? So firstly, I had to gain high level skills and high income skills as an entrepreneur to be able to do this business, right? So skills such as funnel creation, sales, automations, copywriting, basically a few high value skills, actually many high value skills. And this would be the first step that I'd recommend to you, which is learn these ones, okay? I'm going to list out the top 5. Sales, copywriting, funnel creation, automations, and the last one would be team management, okay? These are the 5 skills I want you to research, learn, get good at, because once you can build these skills, you start to become something I like to call a full stack entrepreneur, which is an entrepreneur who has multiple skills and can basically do many different tasks, right? And once you become a full stack entrepreneur, you're then not only going to be able to run your own business, but you can also operate for someone else's business, all right? And this is kind of what I did. Now, luckily, I did a marketing job for this influencer, and he had millions of followers across social media. And I did a really good job, obviously, because later when I reached out to him and suggested this business, he was like, yep, let's do it. And I was able to organize a 50-50 partnership with him, and we became business partners, and we built this business basically from ground zero. So how it worked was I was the operator, I was the person behind the scenes, and I built this business without showing my face, okay? So I basically leveraged his audience, his social proof, and his image, trust and credibility, and I built the entire backend, everything from website, literally the sales team, automations, everything on the back end I built, and he basically promoted the offer on the front end, and the business just took off, okay? Now, this is exactly how you can do the same. Once you can build up these skills and know how to operate a business, you can start reaching out to high level people and kind of sharing with them your idea like, okay, look, I can operate everything for you. Literally all you need to do is a few call to actions a month. Give me access to your email account. Let me build the website. Let me build absolutely everything. All you need to do is promote it. We go 50-50 and that's it. That's basically it. But that's the key, is to know someone who could work with you on this and who has an audience that you can leverage, okay? Because really that's the part that is missing. It's the audience, it's the trust, the credibility, and what offer they can provide to their audience that will basically take off, okay? So the way you might do this is first look within your network. Maybe you already know some people. Like most of my friends that I know are pretty high level, but like you may not know them yet, or you might realize, oh wait, I do actually know this one guy who knows a guy, and then you can kind of work through your network to get connected and propose this idea to them. Or another way is simply cold outreach, which is a form of how you can meet these high level people. If you're sending 50 to 100 DMs per day, and you might even send voice messages because that's more likely to get listened to, and just reaching out to people that you want to work with, you might be surprised and you might get a couple of responses and be like, they might say, hey, yeah, share your idea with me. Let's see what your idea is. And the reason why this is very attractive to someone who has an audience is because they obviously want to monetize it, and they've built the audience for that purpose, most likely, or if they haven't, then they haven't thought about it, and your idea of helping them create an offer is very attractive to them, okay? But the key is to actually find people who haven't done this yet, people who haven't started a high-ticket offer and maybe don't even know what it is, all right? So I have tons of other videos on my channel you can go and watch of how to actually build this high-ticket business step by step. But yeah, essentially you want to reach out to these guys, or girls and basically say, look, if you can get on a phone call with them, it will be better. But say, I will do absolutely everything on the back end. I will operate this business. We go 50-50. All you need to do is literally promote it on your end. And that's the business model. That's how I've been able to generate over $100,000 a month without ever showing my face. I was behind the scenes operating the back end. You have the person on the front end promoting it. And that's basically it. And I've actually built an entire course and have a mentorship program called A1 Scaling Systems, which is basically everything I've learned and the exact proven system I have personally used to build this business from basically 0 to 100,000 a month. And I share absolutely everything. So if you're interested in that and you want actually help of building your own high-ticket business, you can go ahead and book a call in the description down below and we can chat more then. Anyway, guys, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.